Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to show you the August Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month is our bigger kit. It includes 4 brand new collections each and every month. You'll get cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. You're also going to receive 4 recipe cards, one for each one of the collections. This is a recipe card that's designed by the design team. They'll give you a full color photograph of the finished layout and then cutting and assembly instructions so you can follow right along with our design team, or of course you can go off and create whatever you like with your kits. You're also going to receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so you'll have that to brew up and sip on as you create with our kits. This month we have a wide variety of themes. Starting off with Doodlebug Barbie Cute, and this is our, of course, a barbecue, outdoor picnic, food, just all of the things that you think of about summer food and get-togethers. We have School Rules by Echo Park, and Bro & Co. from Simple Stories, and the Simple Vintage Great Escape, which is just a lovely outdoor theme. So we're going to dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. Starting with Barbie Cute from Doodlebug, you're going to receive 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper is called Picnic in the Park, and it has all of the outdoor food icons and the apron and the mitt and the utensils, just super cute. The back is a bright royal blue with white polka dots. This one, called Picnic Spot, is a large polka dot in all the different colors from this collection. And the back are some cut-aparts. So we have these 3x4s, but then we have the 3x8s, which are kind of like list. So these are perfect to add to your pages, and you can make lists of your traditions, things that you're doing this summer. Just add your journaling, make a list of all your family favorites that you enjoy during the summer, so get the whole family involved. Just lots of fun ways to use that paper. This one, called Snow Cone Stripe, is the stripes in all of the different colors. And the back is a two-toned blue, and it has all the different foods, summer foods, the tree and the sunshine, the mittens, a fly swatter, and it has the little bugs and the ants. Just really cute collection here. So one more look at the patterned paper. Then for your embellishments, you're going to receive one of the doilies from Doodlebug. It's a red with a white polka dot, super cute. You're going to receive a row of enamel dots, so these will vary in color, but I got kind of the royal blue. And then an 1/8 a pack of the odds and ends, which are going to include more of those cute icons. So I got a pack of sodas, lots of hearts, a snow cone, a cloud, a tree, corn dog, kebabs, a bowl of salad, all those cute little bugs. So these will vary, but you'll see all of those adorable little icons in your embellishments. So that is Barbie Cute from Doodlebug. Our next collection, School Rules from Echo Park, is all about the school scene. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. The patterned paper is this one with all these adorable little owls and their graduation caps. And the back is a gorgeous wood grain. This paper is called Owls. Then you're going to get the red and blue plaid. The back has all of the fun art supplies. This one is called Student Plaid. And then you're going to get the full alphabet. This is fun as a background. You could cut them apart and use the letters for a school name, your child's name, part of your title, whatever it is that you're using. You can definitely play off just the letters. The back is a 2-toned blue, and it's a star, so this one is called Alphabet. One more look at your pattern paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get a yard of Doodlebug chunky twine, so it's definitely chunky. That's super cute. You're going to get some wood veneers. So they'll either be apples or little hats. You're going to get one of a tag, a large tag, so you can do journaling. You could stamp on it and do some embellishing, whatever you like. And then you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. These cut out. So these will vary as well, but you'll get a good idea of what's in the kit. A box of crayons. Reading is dreaming with your eyes wide open. Believe in yourself. And this is a cute little tag. So this punches out. You can either punch it out or leave it in. There's a little scalloped border. So that's School Rules from Echo Park. Perfect to document all of your school memories. Our next collection is from Simple Stories, and it's Bro & Co. So this is all about your guys. You're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. Your patterned paper is this one. That's the stars, and it's called It's All Good. The back is a turquoise with a triangle print. This banner paper has a checkered banner and then just the pennant banners. This one is called You Rock. The back is a kind of a starburst, two-toned yellow. This one's called Send It, and it's the stripes with all the different colors in the collection. And the back is this really great denim print, perfect for all of your guys' projects. So there's a look at the patterned paper. Your embellishments are going to be the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, so you're going to have plenty of icons to decorate with. We have this scalloped border down here with the stars, tabs, word labels, and then all of the icons. We have everything from food to keys to gaming, their little energy drinks. Our final collection is Simple Vintage Great Escape from Simple Stories, and I am in love with this collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of oatmeal cardstock. This paper calls Time for Adventure is this beautiful wood grain with the foliage down here and then the dragonflies. I love the text print in the background. And the back has all of the insects from butterflies and moths and the dragonflies, little ladybugs. And then it also has that awesome text in the background. This one called Nature Lover is the mushrooms. It has that same text background. The back is more of that text and the stamps, and then it has birds on the little twigs here. Just super pretty. This one's called Lose Yourself, and so it has a collage of different papers from the foliage. So it looks like it's just torn out of different books, and it's just gorgeous. The back is that minty green diagonal stripe. So, another look at the patterned paper. Love the rich colors in this. For your embellishments, you're going to get one of the 4x6 sticker sheets. So this is going to vary, but I got the one that has more of these little foliage pieces just to tuck in your embellishments. And then a 1/6 pack of the bits and pieces and a 1/6 pack of the foliage bits. So these will vary. So you're going to get ones that have text and banners, and then some that are just the foliage. So the mushrooms and the little ferns. All these awesome butterflies. And little hearts out of map print. So that is a Simple Vintage Great Escape from Simple Stories. This is perfect to document all your outdoor memories. If you like going on hikes, going to the park, exploring, you could even document some of your school science projects. So just have a lot of fun with this collection and your entire Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group. We have challenges where you can win some great prizes, and we have a lot of fun sharing what we're creating. And you can see all of the design team's projects that they've created with their kits over on the blog. So the links will be down below. Check out all the other items available in the store. There's other kits. Check out the add-ons that are available for your Flavors of the Month to have it go even further. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.